Hello, thank you for joining my how-to video with Google Images. So I am going to be giving directions on how you can access Google Images using your phone. A lot of times you may be at work and you're not by a computer, or you may be somewhere else where you are trying to get information on lesson plans or different things that you need. So being able to access it from your phone will be a great option. Now, there's the word images at the top of the screen. That will be the easiest way to get to Google Images. However, you are also able to type in Google Images to get the same results as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. Notice that under the word Google, you now see the word images. So this is going to give you nothing but pictures. All right, so before we get started, I did want to say that using Google Images with children is an awesome thing. Google Images make learning more memorable and engaging for students. Google Images is a place where you can also pull up different pictures for discussions or just to have students get the ball rolling with the thinking about different topics. Also, if students are learning about different things, Google Images is a great way for students to get some background knowledge by seeing different things that they've never seen before. So if you're talking about, for example, groundhogs, because that is something that does come up, some students have never seen a groundhog. And so you will have the ability to pull it up on your white interactive board and you can have students see what a groundhog actually looks like. So before we get started, one important feature is using the three lines in the upper left-hand corner. When you click on that, you do want to scroll down all the way to Save Search. And this is something that you would want to do at the beginning of the lesson, or if students are using Google Images with their peers in groups, you will want to make sure that they turn on this feature as well. So you see you have the three options. One is filter, that's filtering out all the images, text, and links. One is a blur, that is doing just the images, leaving the text and the links, I guess, depending on your age group and what you are actually researching. And then it has the off button, which I don't recommend, especially if you are working with children. So we have the filter button clicked here. We're going to go ahead and press the back arrow, and now we're back at the screen. So as the example I used earlier, we're going to go ahead and search for groundhog. And you see this nice little creature pop up. And I'm just going to scroll down so you can see the different options. Another cool feature or features with Google Images is that you can choose the type of picture that you would like to use. So we do have the option of clip art. If students are going to be copying and pasting, they can choose clip art to put inside of their Google Slides or their Google Docs. If they need something a little bit funnier, you also can go ahead and this button right next to the clip art where it has the different lines pointing different ways, you can click on that. That's also going to give you the option to change the color of your images. You can choose a GIF. You can choose HD. You can choose transparent backgrounds. There's so many different options that you can choose so that students can select what they would like. You also have, if you scroll to the end, you have a clear all button, and that's going to take you back here. If you click on clip art, it will take away your option as well. So using Google Images from the phone is a little bit different than the computer. However, it does allow you easy access if you are on the go and you want to think about some future lesson plans that you would like to do with students. So that's all I have for you guys today. Thanks for joining.